Configuring the UltraSync Hub. The following steps are completed using the keyboard on the hub. Here's how to configure the UltraSync Hub for the first time. Reset the hub to factory settings. Select Menu and then 9. Enter your installer code 9713 and select Enter. Select 0 and then bypass to reset the hub. Next, we'll set up an 8-digit web passcode. This can be any 8 digits except 8 zeros. This is an essential step in connecting the UltraSync Mobile App to the UltraSync Hub. After resetting the hub, you're already in programming, so you simply select 9 and then enter an 8-digit web passcode. After entering the passcode, select Enter. Note, if the hub is not already in programming mode, from the main menu, press Menu, then select Option 9. Enter your installer PIN, then select Option 9 again. The hub will then play back the web passcode by lighting the numbers in their proper sequence. Press Menu 2 times to silence the hub. Be sure to immediately record the web passcode for yourself and the homeowner.